In the fertile valleys of California, the journey of America's favorite condiment begins with the harvest of the processing tomato.
Unlike garden varieties, these tomatoes are bred for toughness, allowing them to withstand the rigors of mechanical harvesting and transport.
Upon arrival, water becomes the primary mode of transport, gently moving the fruit while beginning the cleaning process.
Despite advanced automation, human eyes are still crucial for the initial quality check, removing any green or damaged fruit.
Only the reddest, ripest tomatoes make the cut. They are now ready to be transformed.
The crushed tomatoes are rapidly heated to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This hot break process is vital for ketchup viscosity.
High-speed pulpers use centrifugal force to separate the valuable juice and fiber from the skins and seeds.
A second stage, the refiner, pushes the liquid through microscopic screens to ensure a perfectly smooth texture. To intensify the flavor and thicken the product, the juice enters massive vacuum evaporators. By boiling under a vacuum, water is removed without cooking the flavor out of the tomatoes, creating a dense concentrate. This thick tomato paste serves as the base. Now, the transformation into ketchup truly begins. Water is reintroduced in precise amounts to dilute the paste to the perfect consistency for blending. Vinegar is the key preservative and provides the signature tang that balances the sweetness. The
mixture is cooked to meld the flavors and ensure the product is sterile before bottling.
A homogenizer forces the ketchup through a tiny valve at extreme pressure, pulverizing particles to prevent separation.
Every batch is tested for flow rate. Too fast, it's watery. Too slow, it won't pour. It must be perfect. Every batch is tested for flow rate. Too fast, it's watery. Too slow, it won't pour. It must be perfect.
In the filling hall, speed and precision are paramount. Empty bottles arrive via air conveyors. The filler operates at incredible speeds, filling hundreds of bottles per minute with exact volumetric precision. Caps are applied and torqued instantly to seal in the freshness while the ketchup is still warm. Cardboard blanks are erected into cases, ready to receive the finished product.
From the harvest to the pallet, the process has taken less than 24 hours.
Loaded onto trucks, these bottles are destined for supermarkets and restaurants across the nation.